You got plenty of wet spots on the bottom.
13. Whoa, 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 whoa! Woo!
Get ya?
Good job, Miles!
No, it's not too short. But nice and tall. Yeah, right there.
We've got more than we need, and it's more than it's legal. Besides, somebody hacked that all up down there.
I was at like 30 seconds. Hey, 29.
You're going to get rid of a few of those bottom branches there, pal?
Yeah. We just have to cut them off now or throw them away at home. Ready to cut them off now. Okay, boys, can you haul it without damage to this?
Yeah.
Nat,
Come on, Miles.
you're in goes first.
What?
You go first.
Me?
Yeah,
So
otherwise
you-
you drag the branches backwards.
You
Right,
don't-
Miles is standing on the branches, ripping them off.
Well, I'm sliding. Come on.
Then let go and get out of the way. Don't stand on the branches. Let's not forget to put the lid on it here.
That one side is really good.
That's good. It goes against the wall.